A couple of weekends ago, I was traveling in New Mexico for a drone race. I thought it would be fun to show you what I ate for breakfast and lunch at the track. For breakfast, I had two meal bars I brought from home, cucumbers I brought in a cooler, and coffee from the hotel. Since some meal bars can be quite high in carbohydrates, I always check the label. For meals, I generally consume about 45 grams of carbohydrates. This is, of course, personal to me and not a general recommendation. With these bars, 27 grams and 23 grams is 50 grams of carbohydrates, so I know I'm within a normal range for myself. So I snacked on those items for a while, and then I discovered there was catered food at the event. I picked up a salad with greens, cucumbers, tomatoes, and Parmesan cheese. I also grabbed a few grapes and a piece of chocolate cake because it looked amazing. And I also drank water throughout the day. I hope you enjoyed this example of what I eat on a travel day. Please do note that portion sizes are specific to my needs on that specific day. In the next video, I will be sharing some footage from the trip and a glimpse into my travel snacks. See you then, and remember to like and subscribe before you go.